Hello and welcome back. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. If you couldn't tell, I'm a big college football fan, but I have not opened up very many of these college products. So picked up a couple of the Bowman Chrome blaster boxes. See if we can find any of those big cards, the top players in the draft that just happened last week. So a lot of quarterbacks first round. Excited for that. Should be a good rookie class to chase in next year's 2023 products. So here we go on the cover, #1 draft pick. Let's see if we can find a nice Bryce Young. This was my first time opening any of the Bowman Chrome or any of really college football, besides the few hobby packs I've had in the boom boxes. So first retail, I guess we can say. So Zach Evans, Guy Hall, Eli Ricks, Malachi Moore, a nice Jaden Wiley first Bowman. So a little parallel there. Not anybody you're looking for in that pack, really. All right, we have Cam Rising. There's a Bryce Young. Just the base, but we'll set him off to the side. Ooh, there's a nice rambling of X-Worthy. And a Josh Wiley. You can pull autographs in these. I don't know how common it is in retail. I haven't seen too many of much that's opened. It's, college, kind of a smaller niche, I guess, a collector looking for college cards. I doubt I find any of my Cornhuskers in here. Very few of them. Haven't been great the last decade. So Keyshawn Boot and a JJ McCarthy there. So the PC hits probably not going to be very likely. Angelo Billingsley. There's a nice Kaylee Ringo for Georgia. Ronnie Bell. And Jackson Smith and Jigba. Another first round pick. Nice card. It'll be interesting going through the cards next year, all the rookies, since this class didn't have a ton of rookie QBs to chase. And we have our autograph here of Josh Wiley. So I guess I don't know if they're going to be very common or not, but that's very cool. Has a nice autograph. They kind of jump up on you. They don't turn them backwards, so you don't know they're really coming. So we'll put a sleeve on that guy. I don't believe he was drafted, or if he's even, he was a senior, so don't know if he made it into the NFL. I'll have to do a little looking into it. Not real versed on all of the Cincinnati players, even though they have had themselves, that's not one to fit. Had themselves a few nice seasons, but they will be looking for a new head coach. Jeez. With Fickle heading to Wisconsin next year. My team has a new coach. His first season will be this year. So very cool. Always fun to hit an autograph. Austin Stogner, Tony Grimes, and John Emery, running back for LSU. So a lot of coaching changes in college at some big name schools. Obviously Deion Sanders in Colorado. Matt Rule going to my Cornhuskers. Will Rogers. Luke Altmaier. And Sam Hartman. And we'll have a chance to play all those new coaches at Nebraska. We'll have Colorado game 2. And obviously Wisconsin on the schedule every year now. So we'll kind of get to see those new coaches battle it out this year. Bo Nix, Zach Calzada, a lot of quarterbacks coming here. Ramon Davis, a Ryan Helinski, Northwestern quarterback, and Trevor Etienne. Nice looking parallel. And that does it for box 1. Flew through it. All right, box number 2. That's one thing about college. There's so many players that, you know, some of them might not get a chance at the NFL, or a lot of them. So a lot of the players won't be seeing them again. But overall, you know, Bowman Chrome, good looking cards. And if we can get autographs out of lots of this, then fun product with some potential there. Getting those draft picks, getting those cards out there early. You know, base of the first round here, Anthony Richardson, Pat Garwo, another J.J. McCarthy base, another John Emery base, and Henry Tutu. I don't know, Tutoto. But Alabama, so you can probably go ahead and guess he's a good player. Henry Tutu. Another Trevor Etienne on the back, and we'll just go with another base of Henry. Walker Howard, another Ramblin' Man, K. Boot, and Trevor Etienne on the back. Might try some more of these college products out as things go along here. Maybe more of a PC collecting when it comes to a lot of these. Malachi Moore and Walker Howard for LSU. You're not going to get usually as much value out of these unless you hit those top draft picks, but fun for collecting. And there's a nice Anthony Richardson on that silver. Very off-center, you can see, so that kind of stinks. Still a nice card. Josh, I mean, for how many players they have in here, we're getting a lot of duplicates. And then you got 130-some teams and lots of players. Another nice Bryce Young, Isaac Rex, Keyshawn Boot again, Ronnie Bell again. So there's a lot of base out of them, and a Zach Evans for Ole Miss. Last 2 packs. Go ahead, let me know in the comments if you enjoy college, if any of you are big college fans, who your team is. Or, you know, it's going to come up quick. We're hitting summertime. Everyone had their spring games, if you guys enjoyed those, in April. And, you know, summer's going to fly by, and it'll be football season in no time in late August for college to start up. Nice silver here. And another Jackson Smith and Jigba on the back. So final pack. And if you'd be so kind to like the video and subscribe when you comment, or just do if you want to keep up on all the videos coming out. I appreciate it. The channel has been growing at a decent pace, so I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the channel and watching all the videos. Xavier Worthy and Erleek Brown on a nice blue here, or purple maybe, and it's numbered out of 399. USC's been on the climb again last couple years, had some downtime, and they're finding their way back up into, you know, being that playoff talk. Go ahead and see that number card up. And our final 2, Austin Stogner and a guy Hall. So that'll do it for Bowman Chrome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.